So now let's see how we can work around with the temperature and tint effect inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So over here you can see that I have my particular video footage right here, and if I were to go around over here under under the adjustment section right here, then you can see that the final effect over here is temperature and tint. So over here you can go around and click, let's say for example click on this right here, temperature, or let's say for example make it blue or yellow right here, just like this, and this is what you have. So you can go around, make it warm right here, or make it look cool. Then you can also go around onto tint right here, and then what happens is that you can make it more pink or green as you like right here. So that is how you can go around and work around with the effect, as you can see, just like this. You can also go around onto more and then use the slider to change around the temperature from blue to yellow right here, just like this, or you can go around and change around the tint right here to make it more green or pink right here, and reset this out right here, just like this, or you can go around and make it less right here, just like this. And this is how you can go around and work around with temperature and tint effect inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.